So White Paper Factory is the ability for you to customize any communication going to any client. Our presses or printers are very similar to your desktop printer, full color inkjet. The difference is ours do about 500 feet per minute. Yes, 500 feet per minute on roll input. But all the intelligence goes into the PDF. So what happens is in the old world, you used to have to stock print the backer or pre-print the backers and then just print on black ink. And you couldn't put any kind of variable color on any piece. That whole mailing got the same exact backer. Now what we do is we put all that color information, all the intelligence into the PDF, and we print that PDF on white paper, again, just like your desktop printer, full speed, 500 feet per minute. What it allows us to do is customize your communications in one mailing, okay? So the bigger the mailing, the more density of the mailing, the better postage you have. In the past, we'd have to have separate mailings or separate breakouts. In this world, we can do everything inside one mailing and fully customize everything. So in the world too, it's really been relevant in the world because with digital communications, it's been shown that studies have shown that millennials are all digital, right? Or we think they're all digital, are the number one user of direct mail when it's coupled with the relevant, that's keyword relevant, hard copy piece of mail, okay? So digital email or communication, when it's sent with a relevant hard copy piece of mail, that's fully relevant. And again, in the relevant world, we talk about full color, fully customized. So for instance, you could customize anything that you want. You could send you a red letter, me a green letter, somebody else a yellow letter in sequence. In a White Paper Factory, everything is variable. The other key thing is when you print and roll, high security, because what we do is we print roll to roll. So white paper in, your dreams out. What does that mean? Is go white paper in, we're gonna print from PDF, can print exactly what the developer or your marketing department or your IT department put on that in that PDF, goes back into a roll, and then that roll then is brought into the inserting world. Another key thing about a White Paper Factory roll input is the integrity that gets put on it. So we put a barcode on every single sheet of paper that we print. So for instance, last year we printed about 1.5 billion sheets of paper. There's a barcode that goes on every sheet, and we validate that barcode goes into the proper envelope.